In the Settings tab, under Layout and Format Settings, we have the ability to customize the default layout of the app. There are two types of layouts, fixed and fluid. A fixed layout allows you to specify a fixed width of the page, whereas a fluid layout allows components to fill the entire window. Inside the page builder itself, you can override these settings by editing a specific row's settings to be fixed or fluid. For example, if your app is set to be fixed, you might want to set just the menu in the header to be fluid. Another option within this page is setting the default format for all date and time fields within the app. You will still have the ability to override the default setting by editing a date or time field within a component to be a specific format.